That's not a solution, that's avoidance. Sue Bird and Megan Rapinoe weren't having it. On their podcast, Rapinoe said, "You can't wish racism away, you confront it." Sue added, "The WNBA has always been about community, so why are we ghosting that community now?" Meanwhile, Caitlin just kept showing up, signing autographs, smiling, playing. She didn't complain, she didn't feed the drama, she just showed up. Now let's talk about the money. On April 20th, the WNBA signed a 10-year, $2 billion deal with ESPN and Amazon.